When you're gone, how do you want to be remembered?
As not only as an entertainer, but as a person who cared a lot, and I gave the best that I could, and I tried to be the best role model that I possibly could, and the best person that I could. I tried to help out.
Para mí lo más importante es el amor. Porque sin ustedes yo no soy nada. Muchas gracias por todo.
Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am here with a Halloween look that I have been wanting to do for years, as well as in the past few months. I was like, okay, I have to do this Halloween costume this year, because every year I'm like, I'm gonna do a Selena inspired, and then I'm like trying to do the purple outfit look, and then I get all discouraged and I'm like, let me just look on Pinterest. So this is the look I created. I'm going to show you guys the picture right here of what I was inspired by. There was so many different Selena looks that you can do it yourself looks that are super easy. I feel like everybody loves Selena and everybody knows who Selena is, not only because of the movie or because of her music, but she used to dress super, super cute. Some of her outfits I was like, ooh girl. But some of her other outfits I was like, ooh girl. I feel like a lot of people were doing a lot of her looks when her MAC makeup line came out, which was like a year or two ago. So I felt like everybody was doing Selena looks, and I was like, I'm gonna wait to do mine, because I'm telling you guys, every year I'm like, a Selena look would be really nice to film, or just really nice to be for Halloween. It's super easy, simple. So yeah, this is what I came up with. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit towards the end of the video. Super easy makeup. I took a poll on Instagram to see how you guys wanted me to film this video, because I normally do film talk through. Oh no, I don't normally film talk through. Normally film voiceover videos, especially for like Halloween videos with things that take a little bit more extra time, just because the editing is a lot easier. But you guys said you guys wanted a talk through, and that's what won, so that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys soon with another Halloween video or fall video. So stay tuned. So the Selena makeup, I think it's super simple. I think it's more about what you accessorize your costume with. So today I'm just going to start. I already moisturized, primed my face. I'm going to use the Slay All Day setting spray, and I'm just going to give myself a spray. For foundation, I'm going to be using, I never just use one foundation, not even for work when I go to work. I'm going to be using the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. It's like a, it's a really nice foundation. It's like more of a light. This has more coverage. This is like a lightweight. It covers though. But I really like this Maybelline 24 Hour. So I'm going to be using this as well. And then I'm going to be using my, I think this is a Makeup Shack Beauty Blender. You guys, this is my new favorite beauty blender. I have the Tarte one, I have the Real Techniques, I have the actual beauty blender. I bought an e.l.f. beauty blender, didn't like it. This one is my favorite. It's so, just the texture of it. This is my new favorite, and I think this is under $10. Okay, so now I'm going to get my beauty blender, and I'm just going to pounce my foundation in. Okay, I did my eyebrows. They're never the same. So there's that. Let's start off. I'm gonna use this ColourPop No Filter Concealer just to brighten up under my eye, as well as cover up these bags. Not really brighten, because this is close to my, well, kind of close to my color. And then to set the concealer, I'm gonna use this Lock It In powder by Kat Von D. This is in the color Golden, just to set under my eyes. Now I'm going to be using this eyeshadow base primer. This is by Sigma. Show it to you guys right now once I get it open. And it's just a nude eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to put this on my eyelid. Okay, and then I know I haven't filmed a video using my Dose of Colors palette, but I did buy the whole collection. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I feel so weird I'm talking like this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys saw that. Oh no, I just got powder on it. So I haven't been able to film a video using solely the palette and all of like the lipsticks and lip glosses, but I will. I do have a video coming, you guys, soon. The last one I filmed, I got a really bad headache at the end, and it was just disaster. But so I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors palette today. Look at how beautiful it is. We're just going to be using some of the neutral shades. So I'm going to be using these two shades right now. It is called Basic and Necessary. And I'm going to use, this is my new favorite blending brush. Let me show you guys. This is from the Makeup Shack as well. I'm so sad they don't have a Makeup Shack here in San Diego. But I got this one in Vegas. It's dirty. But this is the T50. I'm just going to dip my brush in the lighter one. The lighter shade, which is Basic. And I'm just going to put it all over. Here it is. This is the It's My Ray Ray. It's number 6. Or it's a 9. I think it's a 6. Take this blending brush and I'm going to take that other nude color I showed you guys, Necessary, and I'm going to take it on my blending brush and I'm going to go more into my crease. Sorry you guys, I burped. And I go back with the first brush I used just to blend it together. But I'm going to grab this and I'm just going to wipe off all this excess powder. Don't worry you guys, I know I haven't set the rest of my face. I'm gonna do that right now. But first, I like to just set under my eyes because it creases really quickly as soon as I apply foundation or concealer. Done, I'm going to contour my face, you guys. I'm gonna be using the It's My Ray Ray palette. I'm gonna be using both of these shades. This one looks really dark, but I need to define and chisel out my face. I don't know about Selena, but I like having a very contoured face. And did she have high cheekbones? I don't really remember. You guys could have even used this It's My Ray Ray palette. It's super affordable to do the look I'm doing right now because of these nudes up here. I just decided to use the Dose of Colors because it's my newer palette, but this is a super affordable. Look at it. I need to buy another one of these palettes, you guys, because yeah, I just need to. I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush for my nose. I guess just this one. This is just some brush from Amazon, I think. This middle color, you guys, is like the perfect color, contour color on my skin tone, especially for my nose. You guys are gonna see right now. I use this palette every day for work. I love this color. I don't know, it's just like a powder color, but I normally use it for work and I use it with the brush I showed you guys. We're just going to use this just to set in the rest. I'm even doing it over here again where we baked. But we're just going to use this to set the rest of our face. So now for liner, I am going to be using this Milani Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Wear Liquid Liner. My friend Annalie from work, she uses this and her eyeliner be looking bomb. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to do a very small, tiny wing because she, ooh, I always close this. Oh my god, I gouged it. Oh, well, I don't really use that purple color anyways. So I'm going to use my eyeliner to do a very small wing liner. I can't do this on camera because I can barely do it in real life, so I'm gonna do the liquid liner and then I'm gonna apply some false lashes. I look through my lash drawer. I'll probably use, these are, well, they're pretty much used. I'll probably use one of these Kiss lashes just because these are really lightweight. Okay, these are the lashes. This is the eyeliner. It's not as thin as I would like it, but again, I'm not good at liner. And I kept trying to make it thin and then I kept messing up, so then I had to make it thicker. But this is as thin as. And then I don't know if Selena wore highlight, but we're going to wear highlight in this tutorial. I'm going to use the It's My Ray Ray palette again. I'm going to be using Radiant and Move Night for my highlight. Do you guys see that highlight? I wear this highlight to work all the time. And people always ask me what I'm wearing, and it's this one. And I just mixed both highlights together to get this glowing highlight. Lips Obviously, we have to do the red lip. I'm stuck between this lipstick and this lip cream. I'll probably use the lip cream. These are both by Milani. One's in Devotions, the other one's in Ruby Valentine. But maybe I will use... And I'm going to attempt to overline my lips. And it's better to overline using... I'm going to use a nude color because I don't want to look like a clown when I overline my lips. So that's why I'm using this nude color. And I think I'm going to go in with the Milani lip cream first, and then I'll go over with the lipstick. This smells so good. You guys see that? I need to clean this up. There we go. So now that I got my lipstick situated, this is the complete look. I'm going to show you guys my outfit because I feel like the outfit does more than the actual makeup, but the hairstyle does as well. For my hair, I just got a 1-inch curling iron, literally a curling iron, not a wand, and I just wrapped my hair around it. It took me like 10 minutes, and then I put it half up, half down. These earrings were like $2 something at Forever 21. Let me show you the outfit. The shirt is from Forever 21, but I actually got it at Goodwill for $4. It was missing a button right here, but it kind of worked out because I had to tie it up here anyways. For the belt, you can use whatever big buckled belt or thin belt you can find. I just saw that she used to wear a lot of these Western type looking belts. This was from the Goodwill. No, this wasn't from the Goodwill. This was from a local thrift store by my house. It used to be called Children's. I don't know what it's called now, but this was from a local thrift store. This was $3. My jeans are from Fashion Nova. She actually had on some mom jeans in her picture, which I do have, but I couldn't find them. Those are thrifted as well, or you can just wear some dark blue, like high-waisted jeans. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like spending loads of money on a costume that I'm only going to wear once that you can maybe resell. So I like doing mostly do-it-yourself costumes. So that's what I'm doing here. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to try to have like 2 more Halloween looks up because I love Halloween and I like Halloween because I like doing makeup and I like being creative. I'm going to try to do 2 more Halloween looks along with some other videos I already have planned that I'm going to film for the fall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys aren't subscribed, you can subscribe now. I'll put the little button somewhere here. Thank you guys so much for those people who are subscribing. I am going to have a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers and then 5,000 followers on my Instagram because for some reason I had a giveaway at 500, so I'm going to do 5,000 and then so on from there. I'm going to put all my social media links down below. I'm going to link all the links of similar items, but again, I do just recommend trying to go to the thrift store and looking for whatever it is, something that you can put together and try to be creative to come up with a costume. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking because it's late at night and I have work tomorrow. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one.
And snacks.
Oh, that was a good Selena. There we go, huh? I look like Selena right there. Okay.
Alright.
Oh, here we go.
Que perderme en un abismo de tristeza y lágrimas. No me queda más que aguantar bien mi derrota y brindarte felicidad. No me queda más si tu regreso hoy sería una imposibilidad. Y esto que no era amor, lo que hoy niegas, lo que dices que nunca pasó, es el más dulce recuerdo de mi vida. Amiga, yo tenía una...